If you want to earn crypto passively, building your own mining rig is actually simpler than it sounds. Step 1. Forget Bitcoin. Focus on more profitable GPU mineable coins like Ethereum alternatives or Dogecoin. Bitcoin mining requires insane hardware and electricity. Step 2. Pick your hardware. You'll need a solid GPU, a decent motherboard with multiple PCIe slots, enough RAM, and a reliable PCU. Even a single high-end GPU can make a start. Step 3. Choose your mining software. For beginners, NiceHash is the easiest. It handles coin selections and payouts automatically. You can also try MineStart for more control. Step 4. Set up your wallet. Never leave mined coins on the mining pool. Withdraw them to your personal wallet to keep them safe. Step 5. Optimize your rig. Lower power limits slightly, tweak fan curves, and monitor temps. Mining can get hot, but efficiency matters more than raw speed passive profit. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.